Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Fetch.ai. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after a very massive rally recently, Fetch.ai formed another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of my old videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we have broken down the support of this triangle. And after the breakdown, you can see that the price line has also broken down this very long-term and strong support of $1.60 as well. And by the way, the target for this breakdown from this triangle was here approximately at $1.28. And you can see that the price then has dropped more than that and moved very close to the next support of $1.03, but could not hit this support. And now it is likely to have another price reversal from here. And by the way, on a short time frame, if we move to the 4-hour time frame chart, then here Fetch.ai formed another quite steep down channel. This is the resistance of this newly formed down channel, and this is the support, and now it is trying to break out the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will also analyze this channel as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. By the way, when it was testing this quite long-term support of 5 cents, and at the same time, it was also testing the support of the wedge. In those ads, I shared several videos with you that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this wedge, therefore soon we can break it out. And after the breakout, the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $1 or somewhere between $1.30 to $1.50. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And this was, by the way, from this low to here was more than 6,503%. Very massive rally. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Fetch.ai with you as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Fetch.ai that I shared on 8th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Fetch.ai was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 10% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after that, by the way, we had a bigger pump as well. And before that, we caught almost 33% pump. That was another harmonic bullish reversal bad move that Fetch.ai formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal. First, it slightly moved down, then the potential reversals on here, but it covered back very soon. Then we had a very massive rally. That was almost 33% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description. I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Fetch.ai. And on this daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this descending triangle. Here we had a fake out, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. And we enter the same triangle. And finally, by the way, we broke down the support. Before the break down from this triangle, we also had another fake out here, but re-entered the same triangle. And you can see that the target for this breakdown was here, approximately at $1.30. And you can see that the price then has dropped more than that. And now recently on the 4-hour time frame chart, it has formed this down channel. You can see that we got several rejections here. Then we got several rejections here, another rejection here. And now it is again trying to break out the resistance. And we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And this was the last bounce. We had almost 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 touch points here at the support. And you can see that it is testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. And in case of a rejection, the pricing can again test the support of the channel and this long-term support of $1.03. And in case of breaking out the resistance, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $2.24. And in that situation, the pricing can again first break out this previous support of the triangle that can now work as a resistance, and it can also break out this downtrend line resistance of this previous triangle as well. However, in order to continue this rally to the upside that was begun here, back in the month of January 2023, when we broke out this very, very massive falling wedge pattern, we will need to break out this very long-term resistance on that start from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. And once this resistance on will be broken out, then it will be flipped into a long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.